Wagwan people, glad to have you back. Today, I've got another powerful story lined up, so sit tight and roll with me.
Imagine if the entire Caribbean, from Jamaica to Trinidad, from Barbados to Belize, stood as one powerful nation. One flag, one government, one unstoppable voice in the world. This almost happened, but it failed. And the reason why might surprise you. Today, we uncover the forgotten story of the West Indies Federation, the dream that could have changed Caribbean history forever. Before we dive in, if you believe Caribbean history deserves to be heard and told with pride, hit subscribe, drop a GM or a TT in the comments, and let's keep our legacy alive together. Now, let's begin. It's the 1950s. The Caribbean is still under British rule, but change is in the air. The world is moving toward independence, and the islands begin to ask, what if we stood together? Not just as colonies, but as one powerful, united Caribbean nation. In 1958, that dream became real. The West Indies Federation was born. 10 islands, one government, one anthem, one hope. It was the first time our region stood together, not divided by water, but connected by vision. The Federation had its own parliament, headquartered in Chaguaramas, Trinidad. It even had a prime minister, Grantley Adams of Barbados. The dream was clear: share resources, trade together, speak with one voice on the world stage. A single Caribbean passport, a single currency, a single future. For the first time, small islands saw a path to true strength through unity. But even the brightest dreams can hide shadows. Not everyone was ready for unity. Jamaica, the largest island, feared it would bear too much of the cost. Trinidad, blessed with oil, didn't want to subsidize smaller territories. And the smaller islands? They feared being ruled by the big ones. National pride became stronger than the promise of togetherness. The people didn't yet see themselves as West Indians first. They saw themselves as Jamaicans, Barbadians, Trinis. And that identity, while powerful, made true unity impossible. If you're still watching right now, you are part of the rare few who truly care about where the Caribbean came from. Take a second to like this video and let's show YouTube that Caribbean stories matter. Now, back to the story, because things are about to fall apart. 1961, Jamaica holds a referendum. Should it stay in the Federation or leave? The result was clear. Jamaica voted no. The largest island walked away. Trinidad soon followed. And by 1962, the Federation was gone. 4 short years. A dream that began with hope ended with heartbreak. After the collapse, the islands went their separate ways. Jamaica gained independence. Trinidad followed. Then Barbados, Antigua, and others. But the idea of unity never truly died. It lived on through CARICOM, the University of the West Indies, and regional pride that no border can erase. Because even divided, we remain one people, connected by struggle, rhythm, and soul. What if the Federation had survived? A single Caribbean government, a shared economy, one voice in world politics. we could have been the Singapore of the West. Small, but powerful, united, and wealthy. Instead, we remain many islands, still trying to find our place separately. But maybe the Federation didn't feel completely. Maybe its legacy was to remind us that unity takes time, that before we can stand as one region, we must first understand and respect each other's strengths. The Caribbean spirit has never been broken. We've built global influence in music, sports, education, and beyond, all from these small islands. That's the real Federation, the one in our hearts. If this story moved you, if you believe the Caribbean deserves to be seen, heard, and remembered, then subscribe, like, and share this video with someone who loves the islands. Because our history isn't just about what we lost, it's about what we still have: pride, strength, and an unbreakable spirit. We are Caribbean. Little but Talawa.